Have you always wanted to try yoga but felt too intimidated by the pretzel yoga poses that you see across the internet? Say no more. Join me and my special guest for an accessible yoga practice that you can do right in your chair, perfect for beginners. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this revitalizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice by focusing on three-part breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. And on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine, breathing in and out through your nose. Adding the second part, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale from your belly to your ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. And when you're ready, exhale belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice. Beginning with shoulder shrugs, lift your shoulders up towards your ears and release, relaxing. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, noticing how your exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Release, returning to center, transitioning into neck rotations. Gently turn your head to look out over your right shoulder and left. Continue slowly rotating right and left, allowing this movement to originate from the point between your shoulder blades, keeping your shoulders relaxed and your spine and neck long. Release, returning to center, transitioning into a lateral neck stretch. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder, placing your right hand to your left shoulder, keeping your shoulders down and back. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch in the left side of your neck, all the way down into your left shoulder. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder, placing your left hand to your right shoulder, keeping your shoulders down and back. Taking a few slow, deep breaths here, releasing any tension in the right side of your neck, all the way down into your right shoulder. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your right leg, adding ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your hands beneath your left leg, adding ankle rotations. Continue sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed as you switch directions. Release and return to center with both feet to the earth. Alternate between lifting through your heels, pressing down through the balls of your feet, and lowering your heels, lifting through your toes. Continue with this movement as you lift through your heels, press down through the balls of your feet, spreading through your toes, and as you lower your heels, lift through your toes, flexing the tendons through the tops of your feet. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your right leg, extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue with this movement, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles, creating more flexibility and mobility in your joints. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your left leg, extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Release and return to center. Moving into a gentle seated twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine upwards, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Slowly unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining my mom and I for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this quick segment, check out the full-length DVD available at happyyogaondemand.com. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.